we put it here. Okay. We get this car. Oh, no. And we put it here. So next we'll get this car. See, you can check it out. Here, see everything. It got big wheels and tiny wheels. So we'll put it here. So we get this car. This car, you can check it out too. And we put it here. So we get this car. See? We put it here. See? Then we get another car. Whoops. Here, see? Okay. And then we put it here. There. We get another car. See this one? It's purple. See? And then, whoa, we put it here. Then we get another car, see? Okay, and then we put it here. Okay, we get another car. See how nice it is? So we put it here. We have another car. See this car? And we have another car, 2 cars. See? We put here and here, and then we go here, get another car, and then here, get another car, and then here, get another car. Put it here, where you get a motorcycle, and we put it here. Okay, once after we let it sleep, and then we have a police car. Yeah. So we put it here. We have another car out here. And we put it here. We have another car. We'll put it here. We have another car, a truck, and we put it here. We have a race car, see? And we'll put it all the way back here. We have another car. We'll put it here. We have this car. Put it right there. Have another car. And we put it right here. Okay, I'll fix everything up, guys. Okay. And then we have the last truck. It's the truck. We'll put it here, okay, for now, because there's no more up. And we have this big truck. It comes apart. See, you can see this. First, see, it's long to carry all the cars. Then you see this tractor. See? And you can fix it. Look. You can fix it easily. See? Oh, wait, let me show you something. This can happen, see? It's long, and you can put it back together. Look. See? And it works. truck. The truck is really cool. Yeah, we're trying to fix it. Okay, we're gonna get started. I hope you like it. So, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.